Hello, everybody. It's Gareth here from Paris Technologies, and we're having a look at another Rugby World Cup Predictor. This one I call the South African Fumble. What if South Africa fails to get out of the group stages and fails to make a quarterfinal? Could it happen? Absolutely. They're in the pool of death with Ireland and Scotland. And yeah, I mean, we could easily imagine one bad game, lose to Scotland, lose to Ireland, and they're out. So if that was the case and everything else kind of went on form, what would happen? Well, you'd have this Australia-Argentina quarterfinal. I think Australia should get that. You'd get this France-Ireland quarterfinal, which, I mean, that is a mouth-watering one. In this version, I'm saying, well, let's say France takes that, being the home team. England-Wales, we see this quarterfinal coming up quite a bit, and we keep giving it to England. Could Wales win it? I think anything's possible in a World Cup knockout game. And then you'd get a New Zealand-Scotland game. And I mean, I think you'd give it to New Zealand, brave Scots, but I think the New Zealanders have the firepower to win that one. You get an Australia-France final and a New Zealand-England final, sort of a Northern Hemisphere versus Southern Hemisphere in both of them. And I would say, I would give that to Australia against France and New Zealand against England. And then you get a New Zealand-Australia final, and that would be really great. And in this one, I give it to Australia to win. And I think that's a pretty unlikely scenario. And is it as unlikely as South Africa fumbling? I don't know. I'm going to give it to them.